Hello guys, welcome back. We are looking at the stock price of Beyond Meat, the plant-based burger maker, and today the stock is up 3.36%, trading at $27.03. Now today was quite an interesting day for this stock because it was actually on a downward trend, and then for the very first time it actually dropped below its IPO price, and after that it recovered somewhat, and now we are positive 3.29%. so the 52-week range for the stock has been $20.50 all the way up to $160, and today we hit a 52-week low earlier in the day. Today's range has been from $20.50 all the way up to $29.40. Average volume for this stock would be about 3.2 million, but today we have already seen 17.5 million shares exchange hands. Market capitalization of the company is $1.99 billion as of this recording. So what's happening with the company is they reported their first quarter earnings for 2022, and it was evident that the company did not meet its estimates. However, the guidance for the rest of 2022 has not been changed by the company, which is I would say they are rather optimistic. Summer is coming around. They did a commercial where Kevin Hart traveled in time, and through about 4 different time periods he was able to meet people barbecuing in their backyard and convince them to use the Beyond Meat product. So that was quite good. You could see that the company is actually thinking forward as we move into the barbecue season for 2022, where people are outside enjoying the outdoors, and that is something great. So looking at the stock, you can see that over the past 5 days it has actually declined quite a bit. It was trading last Friday, May 6th, at $37 or thereabouts. A month ago the stock was trading at about $44. 6 months ago the stock was trading at about $85, and I believe that's the time point when many of these stocks in today's market that are declining started their slow and painful decline. Sometime between October November last year, that's when the big decline started. So irrespective, today Beyond Meat, they actually had that very slow 52-week low, and then they recovered somewhat, and now they are holding steady at about 3%, trading at $26.96. What the future has in store, it's anyone's guess, but the general momentum as of right now is that the market is going downward, and that's what's obvious to all of us. And it's not just starting this week. It started since November of last year, but it just didn't cross the radar of many people, including myself. So now it's just to watch what happens with the stock market, see if the Biden administration is going to give any directive. They've talked about build back better, but obviously that is not really pushing the needle in the right direction. Also, you have to remember that the Putin invasion of Ukraine happened in February of 2022, whereas all of these stock slides started sometime in November of last year. So that is where we are sitting at right now. The market being very uncertain, and if you are watching this channel and you watched any of my prior videos over the past week or so, you would understand why I keep saying that. It's personally, I think this is a time when you want to have a cash heavy position, because it looks like the bottom is just dropping off all of these stocks. It might be a tempting period to short some stocks, but that is very speculative, and if things go for the worst, then you risk being wiped out in a blink of an eye. So a good strategy for me, if I were to do it, is to sit on the sidelines and observe the whole market, see exactly what's happening. Energy sector seems to be doing good. Pharmaceuticals, commodities, those sectors seem to be doing okay. If you look for underperforming stocks, you might find some unicorns in from healthcare, but for the most part, the majors in healthcare, you wouldn't find them doing as poorly. Also, commodities, people still have to eat. Food might be scarce, more expensive, but ultimately people still need food on their table. So that sector too doesn't seem to have done too poorly. And of course, the energy sector, petroleum, refined products, all of those are needed to keep the world, the wheels and the lights on in the world. So there you guys have it. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts on Beyond Meat, if you think that this is a fair assessment that I did of the company, where they missed their earnings estimates, and but they maintained their guidance for the rest of 2022, and the market did not like that the company did not meet expectations. Thanks for joining me. I will catch you guys on the next video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.